私はアメリカ人です。
Ask her if she's Japanese. Then listen to her answer.
あなたは日本人ですか？あなたは日本人ですか？
はい、私は日本人です。
Now she'll ask you a question. Answer truthfully.
あなたは日本語が少しわかりますか？
You should have said,
はい。私は日本語が少しわかります。はい。私は日本語が少しわかります。
because you do. You do understand Japanese a little. Don't be concerned if you did not make every response correctly. You can always replay this tape until you can. If you have mastered about 80% of the material in this unit, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. This is the end of Unit 1. Speak and read Essential Japanese 1, Unit 2. Ohayou gozaimasu. Good morning, assuming that it is morning as you listen, but no matter. Welcome to Unit 2 of your Pimsleur Japanese course. In this unit, you will continue to practice the material you learned in Unit 1. You will also learn to greet people in Japanese. You have already gotten off to a good start in Japanese. Just see how much of this conversation you can understand.
すみません。日本語がわかりますか？
少し。
アメリカ人ですか？
はい。英語がわかりますか？
いえ、私は英語がわかりません。
See how much you can do already? Notice that the speakers can leave off the word for you or I if they want to. If a person is talking directly to you, and only you, they don't have to keep repeating you, you, you. Listen to the conversation again.
すみません。日本語がわかりますか？
少し。
アメリカ人ですか？
はい。英語がわかりますか？
いえ、私は英語がわかりません。
Do you remember how to say excuse me in Japanese?
すみません。
Very good. Say it again.
すみません。
As you pronounce this word, be sure that all of the sounds are of the same loudness. No one should be louder than another, as sounds often are in English. Say it again.
すみません。
Now say the word for English.
英語。英語。
Say the word for the Japanese language.
日本語。日本語。
Say I.
私は。私は。
Now say I understand.
私はわかります。
Now say I understand Japanese.
私は日本語がわかります。
Notice again the little word ga. This is important. Japanese has a spoken grammar, and you can easily tell how a word is used in a sentence. The sounds wa and ga are doing this now, so don't overlook them. Say, I understand English.
私は英語がわかります。
That's very good. Instead, you could have said,
英語がわかります。英語がわかります。
Another spoken grammar particle is the spoken question mark at the end of a question. Do you remember that little word?
か、か。
Now say, do you understand?
わかりますか？
Now ask me if I speak Japanese. You don't need to address me as you.
日本語わかりますか？
Tell me you understand Japanese.
私は日本語がわかります。
How do you say don't understand? Listen.
わかりません。わかりません。
Tell me that you don't understand Japanese.
日本語がわかりません。日本語がわかりません。
大丈夫. Good. Now tell me the word for a little bit.
少し少し
Answer this question with a little bit.
あなたは日本語がわかりますか？
少し。
Say, I understand Japanese.
日本語がわかります。日本語がわかります。
Tell me you don't understand Japanese.
日本語がわかりません。
You see a lady. Say, excuse me. Do you understand English?
すみません。あなたは英語わかりますか？すみません。あなたは英語わかりますか？
少し日本語がわかりますか？
Listen to her question again, but this time, answer her when she asks you,
日本語がわかりますか？
少し。少し。はい。日本語がわかります。はい。日本語がわかります。
You are now able to actually carry on a simple conversation yourself in Japanese by now. Now we are going to practice the words for good morning. They are quite easy. Listen.
おはようございます。おはようございます。
The first word is just like the state of Ohio. Say it.
おはよう。おはよう。
The second part is a politeness word that you will both hear and say a lot in Japanese. Again, just listen.
ございます。ございます。
Now put the two words together after the native speaker.
おはようございます。おはようございます。
Yoku dekimashita. What was the word for excuse me again?